Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw an apple falling from a tree. So, let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the branch of the tree. Now, here is the stem. This is not the absolute apple, this is just the mark, where the apple was. And now, I'm drawing some lines so that it feels like the apple was falling from there. And now, here's the apple. Okay, let's draw some lips. Let's draw some more. Let's do the coloring. I'm using brown. It's looking nice. And now I'm using yellow-orange color. Let's color the lips with green. I'll use a bit of light green color. And finally, let's color the apple with red. Let's color the stem with brown. My drawing is done, and this is how you can draw an apple falling from a tree. Thank you so much for watching.